audacity, which is on here. Audacity, which is on here. And we will open up the second left, and if you play it, it will have
Take the second left. Take the second left.
okay. I've not that's Ken, Australian, I think, not Jane, so I don't know what's happened here. So yes, take the second left. So all I've done now is you highlight the whole thing here, just press delete, make sure you've got your cursor right at the start there, to the left, so it's right at the start. Press record and then get ready to say take the second left and then stop it. So take the second left, stop, bring it back right at the start, play it through again, take the second left. You can cut out little bits at the end just by highlighting it, or at the start if you pause before you start. So if you play it again, the second left, oh, oops, I took out take there, so yeah, so keep trying, if not then delete again and record. You've got some effects, but I found it easier just to record it and just cut off the tiny bits at the front or back. I've tried putting a sock over the microphone to see if that would help professional recording, but it seemed to muffle it too much, and some of the filters I used, it was just easier just to keep it, because it's lowest quality compared to CD anyway, so it's not the end of the world. So once you're happy with your recording, you can record it again. You need to save it, so export as OGG and go into your TomTom folder, and record over this second left, and it will say yep, and you say replace it. So now that's done, so you just keep going down the line until you've recorded everything. Once you're happy and everything's recorded, we need to join them back together. So after you've opened these up and recorded yourself on it, we need to open up VF Tool 2. I've got a problem here. I've already tried installing this, and I think because of my Windows it's not helping, so I need to use the original VIF tool, but it might work for you, so I'll have to yeah, if you can fiddle around with that. But before we go on to that, here's all your templates again. We need to have the data as a number. Numbers 71 to 99 I recognise as special voices, so in this instance we're going to call it data 72, and then we're going to bring it back to a CHK file and a VIF file, so yeah, so we can put it back on there. So in terms of that, I'll take you through this route. I need to go back into my command CMD and then go to CD /CD tom, and then I've got all my files down there. Yeah, as I say, because I can load in VIF tool 2, I'm going to have to do this route, so join number 72 data 72.vif, and this should give me Oh, yeah. So this should give me a VIF tool, but I've forgotten to put in a number, a name here. So I'm going to put in Ben data 72. So, and then that's done it. So now I've got those two files. Having that said, that done, we've got our CHK and a VIF. For TomTom to recognise it, we need to give it some parameters inside this VIF file. So we open it using a text editor, and here it is. It's here line 1 name, file name of the CHK file. In this case, it'd be 72. Name, the gender, male, female, or anything else. Language, the flag, and the version number. So we want line 1 Ben, line 2 data 72.chk, Ben again there. I'm not too sure about that. Gender, we want young, female, or male, so 2, and then representing the language, you've got list 0 for English, and there's others there. For flag, I think it's the same 0. Oh, yeah. So flag would be England 110. So if that's the case, as you can say, John, data 75, 72 Ben, 2 for male, 0 for English language, 110 for flag, and 1 for the first version. So that's all it's done here. So we do that. We're going to go back into my TomTom, locate the 72, data 72, where are you? Open it. More options, open it using Notepad. And see, so what we need to do now is, according to this, Ben 72, data 72, Ben 20110. We've just paste this to give us a good thing there. And then open up our VIF tool. Just delete that. Oh no, paste that. We've already got Ben there. We've got our data 72 because that's there. We changed this to Ben. 2 for male, 0 for English language, 110 for the English flag, and it's version 1. So now we just save that. And now it should be the case of putting onto your if you open up your TomTom, connect it to the computer, and copying this data 72 CHK and VIF into your TomTom voices folder. Make sure you safely remove your TomTom before unplugging it using the green arrows, and then start it up, and it should be working.